Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce to you how to use the GTokenTool platform, Pump Bundled to achieve buy. First we enter the page for Pump Bundled Buy, then connect to the mainnet. Next connect the wallet. We chose the Phantom wallet. After a successful connection, you can see the wallet address. Now, let's start the operation. First enter the address of the token you want to buy. Then enter the recipient address. If you don't fill this in, the tokens will be bought into the corresponding wallet. I'm filling in the current wallet here. Then we click Import Wallet. Fill in the private key and click Confirm. After that, enter the purchase amount here. Below you can see the total purchase amount, as well as the wallet balance. Next it's time to select the RPC and the GTO bundle tips. It should be noted that all GTO tips are paid by the last wallet. This function is currently free, so everyone can use it to their heart's content. Finally, we click Pump Bundled Buy. A prompt will pop up once the purchase is successful. Well, that's the whole process. If you have any questions, you can check our documentation tutorial or come to our community to ask questions. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.